so snappy, just like my 250F, but I'm gonna like this at all. It sounds like a 450. Oh, engine braking, that's different. I hate that down. So much heavier, dude. Compared to my 2-stroke, like it, I don't even know how to ride this right now. Second gear too, and let's go. I think I am. Oh no, that's third. Okay, now we're in second. It really is a smooth power band though. Grip. God, I hate that jump. Oh. So fun. Little guy up here. Everything on this bike, holy cow. Terrible though. I wish I could ride this better, but I literally can't. I saw this rut's getting blown out. goes my bike. Love that thing, and it looks like he does too. That bike is just so freaking easy to ride.
Holy shit, this thing's fun.
Well, and you don't get tired on it.
I know.
This thing, I'm like, I don't even know how to ride this.
I come in the corner, I'm like, what gear